Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up PayPal Payments Gateway in WooCommerce in 2024. PayPal is one of the most trusted and widely used payments methods online, making it essential for any e-commerce store. So I will guide you through the step or basically the step process from creating a PayPal account as example, also to integrating it with your WooCommerce. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, make sure to go to this URL section. Just type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. For me, I'll open my local host. Oh, sorry. So as we said, I'll open my local host. And if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. And here you can click on login at the top right corner to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, click on get started to create an account. You can even click on get started right here. So once you do so, you'll be able to use a Google, Apple, GitHub account if you have one of those. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here. So first of all, if you have your WooCommerce here in this list panel, this will be good. If you don't, you'll need to go and install the plugin first. To do so, go to this list panel, plugins. Of course, the same, I'm just installing it here so I can access the plugins. For you can just go here to plugins right away. So go to this list panel, plugins, add new, and simply go and look for WooCommerce plugin to add it. So go to search plugins right here, type WooCommerce, and let's just see, as you can see right here. So you'll find an install now button, or and of course you can click on install, then click on activate what's installed. In the meanwhile, what's installing, you can read description, installation, what's required for the installation of it. Here you can see all the requirements, several requirements, example. Make sure you have like those versions and etc. Frequently asked questions, most people asking about changelog. You can even here see the full version, like what they fixed, what they added, what they updated, what they've tweaked, what they enhanced, and etc. You can see screenshots how it's going to look like once you just download it. Of course, normally you have to go to WooCommerce settings and payments, and from there you can activate like PayPal. So normally you'll have to go there and see if PayPal is there first of all. If it is there, that's good. If not, you'll need to install the plugin. Of course, there is a plugin for it. So if you go back to plugins here and add new, just type WooCommerce and you'll find this plugin, WooCommerce PayPal Payments. So PayPal latest payments processing solution accepts PayPal, Pay Later, credit and debit card, alternative digital wallet and bank account. So click on, of course, it's by WooCommerce. So click on install now again. The same, of course, you can go and read the installation, ask question, everything about it. And as we said, the screenshots here, we find how it's going to look like on your store. For example, PayPal, Pay Later, with Google Pay and Apple Pay if you want to. And yeah, so that's how it's gonna look like on your store, on your checkouts example, and add to carts. Of course, you can just edit all of that, how it's gonna look like later on the settings examples of PayPal Smart Buttons. This is where you'll be able to edit all the stuff, how it's looking like an example. This is basically the settings of that specific like plugin. You can even here see the reviews. So you might find like some bad reviews on that. I don't know why is that actually. So you can read and see like why it's not good. But anyway, this is like the option to do it if you didn't find this in payments already. This is the only option to do it. So click on activate. For me, it will not be activated because it's incompatible with my version of WordPress. So it's fine. And anyway, for you, it should be activated. And you will need then to go and connect to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you'll need to go and create one. So go, open a new tab, and there, go again. And here to this URL section, type paypal.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if you have a problem in the language, you can always just scroll down to the bottom, change here and click on English for me. And yeah, so as you can see, and here you can click on login to log in into your account. Again, if you don't have an account, click on sign up. So as example, let's say you'll be able to click or create a personal or business account. For me, I'll just go and click here on login and I'll basically just log in into my account right away. So no, continue on web. I don't want to download it. And yeah, you should be right here. So now I have an account. So you'll need to go back to that payment option as an example, or as we said before. So I'll just show you through the screenshots. So as you can see, go to WooCommerce, then settings, and then click on payments. And once you click on payments, you'll find the PayPal option. Why you'll find it? Because you've downloaded it. You've downloaded the plugin. If you didn't find it already by default, if you didn't find it by default, you'll need to install the plugin. If you did find it before installing the plugin, that's already good. Just go and click on that, and of course, they'll tell you to connect to your PayPal account. Make sure to connect into your PayPal account, and of course, you'd like to have a business account, like not a personal account. So once you do so, you should be good to go. Your PayPal gateway should be connected to WooCommerce, and you can now start editing. An example, the buttons, add them wherever you want. So as it shows here in the screenshots. So basically, okay, let me just show you like here, basically here how to edit. So first of all, smart button locations. So here you'll have to choose the pages that you want those buttons to appear on. As example, single products, classical carts, classic checkouts, mini carts, express checkouts, and carts. Require the final confirmation on checkouts if you want to enable this, because if you enable this option, example, this will require customers to manually confirm express payments on the checkouts page. And this will ensure that they can review the order, update shipping options, and fill an eventual like custom fields necessary for the transaction. If this is disabled, example, as you can see here, the system will automatically synchronize shipping options with PayPal and bypass the final checkout confirmation. And this expedites, of course, the checkout process, but prevents buyers from filling an eventual custom field and reviewing like final details before finalizing the payment. So it's better to enable it. Smart button language, of course, you'll be able to do so. Customize smart buttons per location. You'll be able to do it for each location to customize it. And here you can choose the layout of it. Basically, if you want it to be vertical, like the button label should be on it, the color, the shape, and etc. You'll be able to edit that. And yeah, once you're done, it will be added like here on all your pages, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.